your tattered clothes. You're 15 and you're about to bloom just like a rose. You're wishing that you had designer jeans like the ones you see in magazines. Now I know you'd give anything just to fit in, but you were thin on the price tag. It comes from within. Don't you know you're beautiful? Don't you know you're beautiful? Don't you know you're beautiful? That's the way you are. Hey there, little homecoming queen in that backseat. I'll bet his brown eyes are promising